guys, so today I will be installing a third brake light flasher for my 2013 Challenger, but this one fits 2008 to 2017. I'm pretty sure it'll fit 2018 and 2019 also. The price for this was $40 on Amazon Prime, so I got it in 1-2 days. But also you can buy it on their website, which is autotricks.net, and I don't know if it's gonna be $40 plus shipping, but I got it for $40 free shipping on Amazon. So I will be doing that install and we'll take video how it looks. So this is a really small box, and this is where I bought it from, and this is where it fits, but I'm pretty sure it fits the other 2 years. And it was $40 like I said, but there's other cheaper ones, but not plug and play. This is fully 100% plug and play, so you don't have to cut any wires. So I would recommend this one, but if you want to save some money, you can buy the other ones. And now we're gonna open it, see how it looks. And this is pretty much how it looks. Pretty sure it connects to the harness and the third brake light. So I will be showing how to plug it in and how it looks. It's supposed to do 3 flashes and then a solid. That's what it says on the description, but we'll find out. Alright guys, follow me. So to install the Autotricks third brake flasher, we have to remove this right here. So to remove it, just go through here, right here, and pull down. It has a clip, so it should just come off. There it is. Now there's 2 more, one right here and one right here. This one right here, I broke it long time ago, so yeah. So just pull down. What I did before was I was just shaking it, and that's why it broke. So just pull down. There it is. See? And this is the clips it has. And this is the one I broke. So it goes like this. So just pull down. Alright guys. Now we have to disconnect this plug so we can plug in our third brake light flasher from Autotricks. So just pinch it right here and it comes off. Now we hooked it up right here to the big one like this, and now this other side you plug it to the third brake light. It goes like this, goes in, and that's it. Now we just hide this away. Just put it right here, whatever you think it fits. And now we're gonna have to put the cover back on. But before you put the cover back on, make sure it works before you put everything on and then it doesn't work. So we're gonna go outside and test it out. So now that we installed the flasher, here's how it looks. Looks pretty good. I will take another video at night to show how it looks. But yeah, looks pretty good. It was a really easy install, probably like 5 to 10 minutes. Not hard at all plug and play. So I would say it's totally worth it, instead of buying the cheap ones that are like $10-15, but you have to cut your harness. Well, that's all. Follow us and give us a like, guys. Thanks.